Radial symmetry, the hidden patterns of nature. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we are going to explore the fascinating concept of radial symmetry. This is a term you might have come across in biology, art, or even everyday observations of nature. We'll break down what it means and see how it's applied in various contexts. Let's dive in and unravel the secrets of radial symmetry. Radial symmetry is a type of symmetry found in nature and art, where an object or design can be divided into similar halves by passing through a central point. Imagine slicing a pie from the center to the edge. If each slice looks the same, that's radial symmetry. In nature, many plants and animals, like starfish and flowers, display this kind of symmetry. This section will include visual examples to enhance understanding. Here, we'll explore how radial symmetry is not just a design element but a functional aspect in nature. For instance, starfish use their symmetrical shape for movement and survival. Similarly, flowers' radial symmetry attracts pollinators effectively. This section will be enriched with video clips and images of various natural examples, showcasing the beauty and importance of radial symmetry in the natural world. Radial symmetry is not just limited to nature. It's a popular element in art and cultural designs. Many mandalas, architectural designs, and even certain types of jewelry exhibit this symmetry. We'll look at diverse examples from different cultures and art forms, illustrating how radial symmetry has been a source of inspiration throughout human history. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of radial symmetry. We hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for this fascinating pattern found in nature, art, and beyond. Remember, the next time you see a starfish or a beautiful mandala, you're looking at the marvels of radial symmetry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content like this.